This drawing is from Atami. It looks so flat, so I gonna color this with black and white on multiply layer. I colored the hair first with black. I use bucket tool to color the hair quickly. But not all the areas have color, so I gonna color it using ibisPaint hard. Same thing on his hoodie, but I picked different color. I'm adding shadows to the areas opposite to the light source. Here's I use digital pen and adjust its thickness to max, so that I can easily color the whole canvas of all black. I adjust the layer opacity to 64%. On the overlay layer, I color the inside of hoodie. I'll make it as a light source. I duplicate this overlay layer, then I change the blending mode to add. Then I lower the opacity to 55%. Next, I go to filter tool to blur this easily. I select Gaussian blur and adjust the radius to 6. Then I erase the excess colors. Now I'm gonna add glow on it. I use airbrush normal to add glow on it. I pick color blue. I want to make it more lighter, so I will adjust the lightness of this layer. It looks better for me. Next I add layer and I set it to overlay. I pick color blue much darker on the previous color. Then using airbrush normal I apply it on this areas to add another color on it. I will use Pointillism 3 to add texture on his hoodie. I add another layer. Then I apply it like this. I'm erasing the excess colors. I'm gonna add lightings on this layer. Using pen fade I will add lightings to the areas where the light landed. On this layer, I will add some little design on his hoodie. I duplicate this layer because I'm lazy to draw it again on the other side. Then I invert the layer. Next, I gonna add highlights on his hair using dip pen hard. After that I gonna blur it using Gaussian blur filter. Adjust the radius to 4%. And it's all done.